Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom a or the sad truth, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is something true which brings distress, something which is upsetting. The child didn't get their own way and is really upset because of it. Their parent reminds them. Unfortunately, the sad truth is that we don't always get what we want in life. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The uncovering of abuse in the Roman Catholic Church is a sad truth which has upset a lot of people. She is upset because she lost her friend after she told her the truth about her boyfriend. The sad truth is people don't like the truth. They would rather believe lies. They are speaking about the upcoming election. The sad truth is that no matter who we vote in, things won't change. Our country is corrupt. Here are some further examples for professional situations. The company are trying to deal with the recession. The sad truth is, with the decline in the economy, we will have to let some of our staff go. It is a sad truth that some of their in-house staff neglect to observe protocol and leave some of their clients' personal information at risk of getting into the wrong hands. These healthcare workers are doing an amazing job, but the sad truth is they're not all like this. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.